2024 Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners KTM 390 Series. In the realm of entry-level sport motorcycles, the 2024 KTM 390 Series stands as a collective embodiment of precision engineering and exhilarating performance, offering novice riders a diverse range of options to ignite their passion for sport bike enthusiasm. Recognized as one of the best sport motorcycle lineups for beginners, the 390 series seamlessly combines cutting-edge design, thrilling performance, and rider-friendly features, showcasing KTM's unwavering commitment to crafting motorcycles that strike an optimal balance between accessibility, versatility, and the sheer joy of sport bike riding. In 2024, the 390 series continues to captivate riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the excitement of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling. 1. Diverse models catering to varied preferences. The KTM 390 series encompasses a diverse lineup, including the KTM 390 Duke, KTM RC 390, and other potential variations. Each model within the series caters to different preferences, with the 390 Duke offering a naked street fighter experience and the RC 390 delivering a full-fared sport bike thrill. This diversity ensures that novice riders have the flexibility to choose a bike that aligns with their individual riding style and preferences. 2. Aggressive design language. All models within the 390 series boast an aggressive design language that is unmistakably KTM. With sharp lines, bold graphics, and distinctive orange accents, the bikes exude a dynamic and modern presence on the road. KTM's commitment to aggressive design not only enhances the visual appeal of the 390 series but also reinforces the brand's ethos of delivering high-performance motorcycles. 3. Potent single-cylinder engine for exhilarating performance. At the heart of the 390 series lies a potent 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering an exhilarating blend of accessible power and high-revving excitement. KTM's engine design focuses on responsive and punchy performance, making it an ideal choice for novice riders eager to explore the thrill of sport bike riding. The 390 series engines provide sufficient power for city commuting, spirited rides, and highway cruising, offering a versatile platform for riders to experience the dynamic world of high-performance motorcycling. 4. Nimble handling and sport-tuned suspension. Designed for nimble handling, all models in the 390 series feature lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension that contribute to their responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and precise handling make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, tackle corners with finesse, and experience the thrill of sport bike dynamics. The 390 series' nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the excitement of dynamic rides. 5. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the 390 series features rider-friendly ergonomic setups. The bikes offer sporty yet accommodating seating positions, mid-mounted foot controls, and optimized riding postures, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. KTM's commitment to rider comfort makes the 390 series not only high-performance options but also practical and enjoyable companions for daily commuting, spirited rides, and longer excursions. 6. Integration of advanced features. The 2024 KTM 390 series seamlessly integrates advanced features to elevate the overall riding experience. Modern instrument clusters, state-of-the-art electronics, and KTM's engineering excellence add contemporary functionality without compromising the bike's accessibility. KTM ensures that the 390 series remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of cutting-edge performance with essential safety features. Conclusion. The 2024 KTM 390 series stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best sport motorcycle lineups for beginners. Its diverse models, aggressive design language, potent single-cylinder engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of advanced features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of high-performance motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, conquering twisty roads, or embracing the thrill of high-speed riding, the 390 series encapsulates the spirit of KTM's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible sport bike greatness. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling, the 2024 KTM 390 series rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of sport motorcycles for beginners.